today I'm going to try and prank my little sister. She started rumours around her school that I'd have a girl that's like 13, no, not even that, 11, and I'm 17, so that's a bit silly. I mean, it probably exists around the world, but it's not my thing. So yeah, all you need, I'm going to basically get her to come through my door, and I'm going to have a hairdryer full of talcum powder, and I'm just going to spray it all over her. I can't wait, it's going to be brilliant.
Alex! Come down here, I've got something really cool to show you. No, come on, just quickly. You'll really like it, it's a surprise. Oh!
I can't get over that was so funny. God, she ended up crying and she went into the shower because apparently she got it in her eyes. So my parents shouted at me, and now my motocross bike, I might have to ride my motocross bike all week, which is a bit of a piss really. Oh, I can't believe it. That was so worth it though. Cheers, hit the like button if you liked it and share. Ciao.